Okay, so welcome everybody. Welcome to my little arts and crafts section. If you guys know me, my name is Romeo. I used to do a lot of Mandela drawings. I used to do a lot of art therapy drawings, Zentangle patterns, a lot of creative stuff as well. But now because I finished working, because I started to work now in a special needs school, I started to do a lot more art projects with the kids. So they had one of their topics was food and farming. Now we're doing past, present, and future. But with the food and farming one, this is what we made. Out of a paper plate, we made this chicken that just sits on the table like so. And it's a great little chicken, easy for them to make. And it's great for their food and farming. They can make a row of these, all the kids can make them. You can have them sitting on the little shelves, all at an angle, like so. Made from paper plate and bits of card, and some stuck-on eyes as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's get down to it. Right, okay, so here is what you're gonna need to make your paper chicken. You're gonna need a paper plate, some red card, pencil, scissors, glue, and some eyes. Now you can get the googly eyes here as well. You can use those, which is perfect to use. But you can also use these ones here. Now what I did with these ones is I googled comical eyes, and then I printed them out, and then I stuck them onto some card, and then I cut the circles out so they're a little bit more thicker and not so flimsy then, and then they're easier to stick on. This was a great little project that I did with the kids in my primary class, kids with autism. It was a great little art session that we did because they loved the sticking side to it, the gluing side to it, cutting out various things. And it's great. It's a great project to do for food and farming. It was a food and farming project that we did, and I'd seen that there was no sort of videos on it, so I decided to make this video. As you saw what the chicken looks like in the end, and it looks great as a little display. You know, you can make all various types of all other animals as well to go with it, to make your own little farm. And this is a great one to do, and they can put it on their little shelves in their classrooms as well, and it just looks great when they've done them all as well. Now you can already go ahead and already cut out all the bits and pieces for the chicken, like the beak, the wattle, the comb, the legs, the feet, should I say. Already have them pre-cut out. I already had them all pre-cut out for the kids. All they had to do was just stick them onto the paper plates. So what we're going to start off with first is we're going to draw the beak, which is just a simple triangle. Simple triangle for the beak, like that. Very simple. Now it's the wattle is the bit that's underneath the chicken's beak. So we'll just do like a pear teardrop shape, like that. And then we'll have the comb, which will be like this. Very simple. And then we're also going to have chicken's feet, like so. Now I'm only going to do one, because what I'm going to do is once I've cut that out, I'm going to use it as a stencil, go over it, so then I know the two are equal. Now let's cut these out now. Now we have chicken's legs. Now, like I was saying, you could already have all these already, depending on how many children you have in a class, or for your own kids. Like if you want to do this as a project at home with them, you could already have this pre-cut out, or have it already drawn and have the kids cut it out themselves. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of that. Now I'm going to draw around this one. Just so now I've got two equal feet and legs of the chicken. I'll be doing a lot more topics on what we're doing with kids and things like that. A lot more of the art stuff that I've done with the kids. Food and farming was one. We're going to be also doing other stuff from the latest ones as well, like the past, present and future ones. That's great. I've got some great projects for that to do as well. So here we have chicken comb, beak, and its wattle, its legs, and we have the chicken's eye. Looks a bit like a chicken there already. Okay, so now what we're going to do is start to stick it onto our paper plate. Just get your paper plate, fold it in half, like so. So how this will stand now, this will stand using that flap there, and it will stand like that. Okay, so we have that. First we're going to do, get our glue, put it on this side. You can stick it down however you like. I'll stick these all down on the one side. Glue there. That goes on the top. So, chicken beak, we're going to pop that inside. That'll go in there like that. So, just put some glue in here. Like so. And that bit will come underneath, like so. We'll stick that there. See how simple it's looking already? Now, stick the legs on. As you can see, I've just put them at a slight little angle there as well, so that it will sit. So it looks like it's pecking down. We've got our two chicken's legs now. So that will now sit like it's pecking down at an angle. Now we just stick his eyes on. Take that one, put some glue on it, put it there. You don't have to put two eyes on, but as I've got two there now, because you don't even see the front side of it, but we'll do that anyway. And there's the other eye. And there we have a very simple chicken for food and farming for your kids. That will sit